how to create or sign up for MoneyGram account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, in a browser you can search for MoneyGram.com or launch your MoneyGram application if you have installed in your device. To create or sign up for your MoneyGram account, first and foremost, tap on the three horizontal line that would be present at the very top of the dashboard. So scroll to the very top and tap on the three horizontal line. Then click on the register button to create a brand new account for your MoneyGram. Start off by entering your email address, password, and confirmation of the password. Enter your phone number, then tap on the next button. It might require some of the verification documents, so make sure to submit it accordingly. It might also ask you some of the security questions, so without any hassle, make sure to give it correctly. After your account has been created successfully, all you will need is your email address and password to log in into your MoneyGram. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.